This could be the car for you. The 2015 Honda CR-V. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.